A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are doing lesson number 8, multiples and factors. But before starting today's lecture, let's revise what we have done last time. We have done what are multiples. Multiples are the tables. And then we have done common multiple, means after writing the table of the number which are given to us, we have to find which number is present in both the tables and then encircle it. And then we understand what is LCM. LCM is the least common multiples. So LCM is the least number that is a multiple of two others numbers. Clear? See this example. Multiple of 3 means I have written the table of 3 till 30. Then I have written the table of 5 till 30. Clear? After that, what I have to do, I have to find out the common multiple. See, I have written the common multiples with the red color, means see here 15. Why so? Because 15 is present in 3 table also and 5 table also, and second number which is present in 3 and 5 table, think 30. It is present in 3 table also and 5 table also. So it means that common multiples are 15 and 30. Now from 15 and 30, which is the smallest multiple? 15. So LCM will be 15. Now student, on the behalf of this thing, we will do question number 2 to 6. So let's start. Firstly, we do question number 2. Question number 2 is list the multiples of 12, 15 and 20. Means you have to write down the table of 12, 15 and 20. And then you have to encircle the common multiple. After writing the multiple, you have to find out which number is present in all these three tables. Clear? Then from that you have to find out the LCM. See how? I have written firstly the table of 12. You have to write like this manner in your maths copy. Table of 12 I have written. You have to write down only the answer 12. After 12 I have written 24. Mean 12 to the 24 comes, so I have written 24. Then 12 3 are 36. I have written 36. Then 48. Then 60. Then 72. Then 84. 96. 108. And then 120. Similarly, I will write down the table of 15 and 20. 15 table, we will write 15, 30, 45, 60. 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 8s are 120, 15 9s are 135, then 150. Then you have to write down the multiple of 20. Means table of 20, only what to do? Only add 0 at the end. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, like this matter. Then student, you have seen that I have circled some number with the red pen. Why so? Because this one number are common in all these three tables. Means see, if I am talking about 60. 60 is present in 12 table also, 15 table also, 20 table also. But question arises that if I talk about one number like any number you see, if it is present in two numbers only, we will not consider it. Clear? Because that one number will be wrong. So we will see the number should be present in all these three numbers. So 60 is present in all these three numbers. Then we see 120. 120 is present in all these three numbers. Then I have written in common multiple. Then in common multiple, which is the lowest common multiple, that is 60. So 60 is the LCM. Clear, students? Now we do question number 3. Question number 3 is find the LCM. LCM, you know, firstly you have to find multiples, then common multiple, then LCM. Clear? Because LCM is the term which is made with the combination of three things: multiples, common multiples, then LCM. So first of all, we write down the table of 14. Then we write down the table of 21. 14 table, you have to write like this manner: 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, then 140. Then 21 table. 21, then 42, 63, 84, 105, 120, all the table of 21 we have to write. Then student, what we have to do? We have to find out the common multiple which is common in both the tables. See, 42 is present in both the tables, so you write 42 here. Then see, 84, it is present in both the tables, so you write 84. Then 126 is present in both the tables, so you write 126 in common multiple. Then see which is the lowest common multiple, that is 42. Even student, if you don't know how to write 14 table and 21 table, I have told you the shortcut method of writing the table also. Clear? With the help of that, you can write the table here also. Clear? Now, we do question number 4. Question number 4 is first common multiple of 6 and 15 is 30. So we will write as it is here. First common multiple of 6 and 15 is 30. Then second common multiple of 6 and 15 is 60. Clear? Then they say you have to write third, fourth, fifth. Are you able to see first common multiple is 30 come? How? Think about how it come. Because 1 30s are 30. Now 2 30s are 60. Mean we are writing the table of 30 here. Firstly, if the number is 30, then 32s are 60. Then third common multiple will be what? 33s are 90. Then fourth will be 4 into 30, it will be 120. Then 5 into 30, 150. So third, fourth, fifth common multiples are 90, 120 and 150. Clear students? Now we do question number 5. This is a question number 5. Now to you, LCM of 2 and 5 is 10 given. This question is same like question number 4. Now you have to write next 5 common multiple. Same like question number 4, no change. So we will write like this manner. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Next 5 common multiples are, means we have to write down the table of 10, means next common multiple they are asking. So after 10 what comes? 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50 and then 6 are 60. Clear student? So today you have learned what is the LCM, how to find the LCM, what are the multiples. Clear? And the most important thing is that you must learn the tables till 15 because everybody know the table till 15 students. Now question number 6 is given. This is the homework for you. Here yellow one part is of table of 6 and blue one part is the table of 9. And green one part is a common multiple and LCM you know. LCM is the smallest number. So this one question is a homework and you have to do in the maths book only. Clear students? So I hope you understand what are the LCM. Clear? So LCM is a number which is a multiple of 2 or more number, but it should be a smallest common multiple. Clear? So I hope you understand the lecture and able to do the question number 6. So thank you and have a nice day.